Welcome back to the Profitable Cabinet Shop. Today, we are tearing down one of the most dangerous, outdated pricing methods in the woodworking industry. We are talking about the linear foot lie and why using a flat rate is quietly bankrupting custom cabinet shops. It's a question every cabinet maker gets. How much do you charge per linear foot? It sounds simple, but using a blanket rule of thumb, like $400 or $500 per linear foot, forces you to undercharge for complexity and overcharge for simplicity. It is a massive fallacy. Let's look at the footprint deception. Picture a standard 36-inch sink base. It has 2 doors, a false front, and standard concealed hinges. Now, picture a 36-inch 4-drawer bank. They take up the exact same footprint on your shop floor, but the drawer bank requires precision alignment, 4 separate drawer boxes, and specialized slide hardware. If you charge the same linear foot rate for both, you are losing money the moment you start building that drawer bank. You would have to have other linear foot rates to cover every situation. This brings us to the hardware multiplier. Premium, soft-close undermount drawer slides can cost 4 to 5 times more than a standard set of door hinges. When you price a kitchen entirely by the linear foot, the client gets that massive hardware upgrade essentially for free, and you end up paying for it directly out of your net profit. Ultimately, flat pricing punishes you for building better kitchens. When a client requests a highly custom layout full of pullouts, spice organizers, and deep drawer banks, the overall linear foot distance of the kitchen doesn't change. The labor skyrockets, the material costs explode, but your flat rate stays exactly the same. You win the complex job, but you lose your shirt. To protect your margins, you have to break down the true cost variables. You need to calculate the exact box complexity, the specific square footage of material required, the exact hardware count for each box, and apply accurate assembly time based on the specific type of cabinet, not a blanket average across the whole room. This is where CabEstimator comes in. It ditches the linear foot completely. It prices every single box individually based on its exact components. It calculates the specific drawer slides, solid wood, and assembly time for that exact cabinet. You get a razor-accurate price that guarantees profit on every inch of the kitchen. Stop using outdated rules of thumb. Ditch the linear foot lie and start pricing with precision. Visit cabestimator.com today and start your 14-day trial.